guys, welcome back. This is our fourth day to our coding challenge series, and today we are solving this particular problem, which is concatenation of array. And we are given this question that we are given an integer array nums of length n, and you want to create an array answer of length 2n. So the array answer will have the twice the length of what the length of nums is, right? So length 2n, where answer I is equals to answer nums I, and answer I plus n is equals to nums I for when I is greater than equals to 0 and lesser than the length of nums array. And then basically answer is the concatenation of two nums array, and we are returning the array answer. So we are given this example 1, and let's understand it first. Okay guys, so we were given the problem that we have nums equals to 1 comma 2 comma 1. So in our code we can create a new array answer with twice the length. So it will have like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it will, since the length of this is 3, so the length of this will be 6. And what we can do is we can use a for loop, in which we can first of all loop over the nums array, which will be like I is 0, I is 1, I is 2. So when I is 0, so we can put what is at the first position to here, which will be 1. Then put at the when I will be 1, so I can take out this first index and put it at the first index over here, which will be 2. Similarly, then put what is at the second index to the second index here, which will be 1. But of course we will have these 3 positions still left to be filled, because we are concatenating or putting the twice of nums array. So we want to put 1 comma 2 comma 1 again. So for that, what I can do within the for loop is I can then continue from the length of nums array and then add plus I, and then enter 1 comma 2 comma again. So what I can do is I can, first of all, what I'll do is that whatever is in the, so let's say I have a for loop, I is 0, I is lesser than nums dot length, and I plus plus, we have this. And then for the first position I will put what is at the first position of I. So basically we are doing this. So when I is 0, we put what is at the 0th index, then what is at the first index, and then at the second index. So that's simple. But after, we want to continue and put after this position as well, like 4th, 5th and 6th, sorry, 3rd, 4th and 5th also. So for that I can do as nums dot length, which is 3 plus I, equals to what is at the nums at I position. So in this case what will happen is that when I is 0, I is 1, I is 2. So assume that we put 1 comma 2 already inside it, right? So we understood this case. So assume that we have 1 comma 2 comma 1 by using this statement, but now we will use this statement. So in this case nums dot length is 3, as you can see. So 3 plus 0 would be 3. So 0 1 0 1 2 3 4 5. So at the third position I will put what is at the nums 0th index. So I will put 1 again, then again 1 comma 2 comma 1 comma 1. Then I will put when I will be 1, so I will put what is at the nums first index 2 to the nums dot length 3 plus 1 at the 4th index. So I will put 2 here. After doing this, I'll get the loop will go to I equals to 2. So I'll copy this. So now we have to put the last element. So when I is 2, so nums at position 2 is 1. So we will put 1 into 3 plus 2 at the 5th index. So I will put 1 here. So that's how we will complete the array and then return this this answer array. Okay, so let's write the code. First of all, I'll initialize a new array called answer, and this will contain the twice the length of nums array. Okay, and then I'll run a loop, nums dot length, And then first let's store what is at the I position of answer. I'll store whatever is at the nums I position. And similarly, after I've stored the values, if we consider this example at 0th, 1st and the 2nd position, then I will store at the 3rd, 4th and the 5th position by writing, as we discussed before, nums dot length plus I equals to nums I. So this way we are storing twice. Okay, and then I can just simply return answer array, and let's see if it works. No, sorry, nums dot length. Okay, so our test case is passed, and now let's submit our solution and let's see the runtime. Okay, so we achieved a runtime of 1 millisecond, which is really good, and our code is efficient. I hope you guys understood the solution, and if you have any confusion or if you have any questions, you can ask them in the comment section, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, and then see you guys in the next video.